Hello guys, here are two ways to take screenshots on Samsung phones without buttons. This can be very useful if the power button on your Samsung phone is damaged, or for some reasons the volume down button is not working and you cannot take screenshots with the buttons. The first and easiest method is to just swipe down through this notification center on your Samsung phone, come over to where we have all of this list of icons, and then you want to click on the edit icon or pencil icon at the top over here. Click on edit, and just like so, you should be able to find the take a screenshot option from the list of inactive icons over here. If you do not find it from over here, you can just swipe horizontally and look for the take a screenshot icon. Mine is literally over here, so I'll just long press on it and then move it into the list of active icons just like so. Then click on the done button at the top, click on done. And now to take a screenshot, I will just swipe down, click on take a screenshot, and my Samsung phone will automatically take a screenshot. But if you do not find the take a screenshot icon from the top notification center where we have all of those icons, another way you can actually take a screenshot without the buttons is to simply just open up the settings of your Samsung phone. You want to scroll down until you find the accessibility settings. Mine is literally over here. I'll go ahead and select that. Come over to where we have touch and dexterity, or interactions and dexterity, and then you just want to click on the assistant menu over here. Enable that, and you're going to get this little icon over here where you can just tap on it and you're going to see the screenshot icon over here. Tap on it again and you should be able to take screenshots. But one thing you're going to notice is that this little icon is actually just going to be hovering above your Samsung phone. And so if you don't want it to continuously just hover around, what you can do is to go back to the accessibility settings where we have the interactions and dexterity, then click on the assistant menu over here, and then just make sure you toggle on the assistant menu shortcuts. Once you turn that off, we can now go ahead and turn off the assistant menu, and you're going to get this bottom assistant menu shortcut on our Samsung phone. So you can just click on it and then get the icon so that you can now take a screenshot. Once you're done using it, you can as well click on the shortcut icon over here and it's just going to disappear. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.